time for that metal clip. So I've got a little bit of a V or an A in there, and that's because I'm on this hill. So again, if you're going down a hillside, you're gonna have a little bit of gap somewhere. As soon as I put that clip over, it's gonna be just fine. Here are those clips in the bag. So you can see how this piece will open. I can put that on one side and this on the other. Open it up a little bit so it slides. Whoops, I missed one. So let's try that again. And now they're both in there. So again, this is a tight one like I had on the first one, because at the top they were almost touching, and I love that when it's tight. Let's see. Let's tap it down. Not using the block of wood. I don't think it really matters. I have to move that over just a little bit that way so I can get it around that rolled edge on the top of the edging. I think. All right, well, I'm too close together. So I did not leave enough millimeters between the two. I'm gonna have to somehow make an adjustment to get this one further down that way by just literally a millimeter or two. Maybe if I just pound it in, because it's got some room down there at the bottom. Aha. Move that up, move that over, and now it's going to be pretty close to perfect. Nope, still not quite there. Let me pound that bottom side in a little more. Aha, there it is. Yes. Okay, so off camera I added another piece.